in today's video, we are going to go over all the necessary products and tools and some tips on how you can get the best blowout or the most defined curls. You can have a beautiful color, you can have a beautiful cut, and if your hair is not styled properly, it is not going to look good. And a big question is it the products? Is it the tools? Is it the technique? And the answer is it's all of them. And so to show you and help you create your perfect routine to get the most shine and volume out of your hair, I'm going to be sharing and reviewing John Van Ness's new hairline. I absolutely fell in love with Jonathan Van Ness on Queer Eye. When I noticed Jonathan Van Ness had created a hairline, I knew it was going to be amazing for the fact that on Queer Eye, Jonathan always really understood hair. Super excited to share that JVN is sponsoring today's video. So I'm going to be showing you how I personally use these products and how you can love them and how you can apply them to your hair to achieve the results you are after. All right, so I'm going to be starting off with the Complete Air Dry Cream. First of all, packaging, genius. It is clean, it is modern, it is easy to use, easy to disperse the product. It is color safe, silicone free, sulfate free, and it is also vegan. So at first I thought this might weigh my hair down or it would make it hard for me to blow out my hair after, and not at all. So the amount of hold you get on the hair, but yet the hair still feeling completely touchable and completely soft and manageable as if there was nothing in the hair is an absolute genius product. And if you guys have been around here for a while, you know that that is something that I always look for in a product. I need it to still feel like I have nothing in my hair. I like to be able to run my fingers through my hair. I like to be able to brush it the next morning and my hair doesn't feel stiff or sticky or like it has any residue in it. The other amazing thing about this is if you have beautiful natural curls, you can apply as much of this as you want until you get that super defined texture and shine. Use a diffuser with this product and your curls will absolutely look amazing. And that is something I get asked a lot on this channel, is like offer more good quality curl products. And the answer is it's really hard to get a good one. And so the versatility of this is just, it's a genius. So my hair is naturally wavy and I typically blow out my hair. And I wanted to try it that way just to see. And my waves ended up lasting for like 3 days. So the name is just, it's perfect. It's exactly what it does. It's a complete air dry cream. So like I said, I blew out my hair, but what you can absolutely do with this is apply it and not go in with a blow dryer, and your hair is going to dry in the most beautiful, luscious, luxurious way. All right, the next product, and probably my favorite in the entire line, is the Complete Conditioning Mist. So you can mist this on wet hair. It's going to really detangle the hair and just make the hair really manageable, but without weighing it down. Another use for this is, say you're going on day 2 or 3 hair and you've applied dry shampoo, the ends tend to get really dry and kind of unruly. So you can just mist the ends and kind of rehydrate the hair. And again, like I said, it's going to feel like you have nothing in your hair. It's going to dry beautifully. I love the smell of Le Labo perfumes and Byredo. And if this came as a perfume, I would wear this instead. And the hydration it gives the hair. So like when I sprayed it, obviously it felt a little damp. It's already dry, and you can see there's a lot of products that when they make the hair a little bit damp, as they dry, they give a little frizz to the hair. And as you can see, that side is looking better than that side. So absolutely love this product. I would say if you try anything in the JVN line, it would be this product right here. All right, the next one is the Instant Recovery Serum. And I went ham on this one when I got it, as you can tell. So this you're going to distribute through the hair while the hair is damp as a heat protectant. Normally heat protectors are a spray. The second that I used this one, it was like, this makes so much more sense. I felt like I was protecting my hair from heat versus a spray. And I think for me, it's when I spray, I feel like I'm never gonna get a very even dispersed amount, if that makes sense. I feel like those little dots of where it got sprayed, those are being protected, but not the full head of hair. This just felt like I was protecting all of the hair. And again, it did not weigh down the hair, which for a heat protectant and something as luscious as this, that is incredible. I wanted to share what this one in the back says because it is so absolutely cute and so absolutely Jonathan. It says, hair will look and feel so silky, serene, you'll ask it for meditation secrets. And yeah, I could not describe it better. Your hair just feels calm and natural. And if I might add, I tried most of these products the first time intuitively right after I had highlighted my hair. So that says a lot, and I love testing products out that way because that's when the hair is going to be the most vulnerable, the most compromised. So when a hair product can impress me after my hair is feeling that way, I know this product is going to be good. And next is the Complete Nourishing Shine Drops. This color, I mean, I feel like nowadays, like packaging has gotten, you know, either so amazing or so over the top or kind of boring sometimes, but this is just super high quality. This tub is glass. This is made of that like super luxurious metal material that you can squeeze out every single last drop. The label looks like it's painted on and not a sticker or a label that was applied on there. But yeah, I applied some of these drops after I styled my hair. But this morning, my hair was looking a little frizzy when I got into the studio here, and I applied some of these, again, on this side. You can apply this to dry hair. It'll leave your hair feeling silky, silicone-free, which again, a product that can add a ton of shine and make the hair feel really healthy and silky without silicones is a really good product. It means a lot of science went into it and they used only the highest quality ingredients to get those results. All right, next is the Nurture Deep Moisture Mask. I had to go dig this out of my shower because, again, been addicted. And this is a once a week nurturing mask. Of all the products that I ordered, this is the only one that is in a bright color. And I mean, we know Jonathan Van Ness is a genius, but when I was in the shower, it totally made sense. I feel like most of my shampoo bottles are a pretty neutral color, which makes sense for like the products that I use, you know, on a daily basis. And then the product that I have to use once a week that I could easily forget is in this beautiful violet color. And it just, I don't know, my brain definitely works in color. And one of my friends that came over who is a lawyer, and she saw my closet and it was like in a neutral to like white kind of color organized. And she was like, how can you find anything in your closet? And I'm thinking, I can never find anything in my closet before. I used to have it arranged by like long sleeve and short sleeve and whatever. And the second that I've organized not only my closet, but my kitchen, by color, it's like my whole world has just, my brain is just so at ease because I know where everything is. And I've just realized that's how my brain works. I know that that's not how everyone's does, but again, it just reinforces why I choose to do what I do for a living. And I love hair and I love color very specifically. But the fact that this is in this color, I think is just, it's so genius. It's like I'm in the shower and like sometimes I'm like, oh, it's been a couple of days that I haven't done the mask. And then it's like, I'm right here. Use me. And so the back of this one says, powerful ingredients that deliver healing for hair that does the most. And that is definitely my hair. It goes through a lot, and thankfully we have incredible products like this to nurture our hair, not only get it back to its more natural health state, but make it even better. All right, and the last product that I ordered that I want to share with you guys is the Complete PreWash Scalp Oil. And this is incredibly important. I feel like not enough hairlines offer this, but it's one of the best ways to not only cleanse the scalp, but really calm it. And a lot of hair issues that don't have to do with like over processing really come from the scalp. And again, this is one thing that I've really talked about on my channel, is there are not enough products out there to really treat the scalp. Everything is more treating the hair. And obviously the hair grows out of the scalp, and if the scalp is not happy, the hair growing out of it isn't going to be either. So the reason why I love this one so much is because it is so easy to use. I have seen similar products in other brands, but it seems so complicated. It seems like it's something that like only hairdressers would use. The packaging doesn't make it clear as to what it's used for, I feel. I've gone down Sephora a million times in the hair aisle, and I try to look at it as someone who doesn't do or know hair. And sometimes I'm like, people would be so confused by walking down this aisle. And this one, right away when I read it, I didn't even read what it really does. I read the bottle and instantly it says complete pre-washing scalp oil. Anyone can read that and know exactly what that is, how to use it, and what it's for. And again, super high quality dropper, also made of glass. The jar is also made of glass. This one just smells so clean. So this is, you've got some buildup in your hair, your scalp isn't feeling its best. It either feels itchy, it feels kind of tight. We think of like washing removes buildup, but something as oily as our scalp, adding a ton of shampoo or something that's, bubbly to the hair can sometimes only aggravate the problem. You're signaling to the scalp, I'm drying you out. So the scalp thinks, oh, create more oil. So when you treat the scalp with a good cleansing oil, not only are you like lubricating the follicles, meaning that healthy hair is excited to grow out of those follicles, but you are basically giving your scalp a spa treatment. So you would apply the drops on your scalp, kind of going down each line this way, massage it into the scalp, and leave it on for 15 minutes before you jump into the shower. It's a super easy step, and in the long run, it is going to help your hair and your scalp so much. It doesn't say it on the bottle. It doesn't say that that's what it treats. But if you are someone that constantly has dandruff, normally it's just overly dry scalp or an accumulation of products, this is going to do wonders at preventing that. All right, so that is my review for the JVN products. So if you haven't yet tried them out, go ahead and click the link in the description box down below. Also at jvn.com, go ahead and check out the hair quiz. And by doing that, you will get 20% off your order. All right, now that you have a great lineup of products that are really going to maximize your hair and really give your hair that beautiful finish, it is important to talk about the tools that you need as well. So first thing, since we talked about products that are good for the hair, is having a wide tooth comb, mainly in the shower, and that is to evenly disperse the products through your hair. I feel like one of the easiest ways to misuse a product is to not evenly distribute it. You're actually really diluting the amount of protection you could be having on your hair. So it's just such a simple step. It is something that I personally don't talk about, and it is something that is just so important to have. If you're using good quality, nourishing products in your shower, you absolutely want to make sure that you disperse the product correctly. And not only that, a wide tooth comb is very gentle in the hair. So it's not going to rip through the hair as you're detangling. And the added bonus to that is that you are detangling your hair. So once you're out of the shower, you can towel dry the hair, and the hair is already going to be detangled, which means less breakage and less pulling and tugging later when styling your hair. So wide tooth comb, I know you guys will ask. This one's by Dyson, and I got it with my blow dryer. Which brings me to hot tools. So I personally think that I could not do a good style without a good heat styling tool. Now, do you need to use a heat styling tool every time? Absolutely not. If you have curly hair, of course, I would recommend a diffuser as the nozzle. But you can absolutely achieve beautiful results with the right products without a heat tool. But if you are going to use one, a good quality one that is, going to be good on the hair, it would be such a waste to use incredible products with good high quality ingredients and then use a hot tool that is just terrible on your hair. And I have the Dyson. This thing is probably 4 years old. It gets beat up used every single day. But not only is it good for the hair, it is ergonomical, which means really lightweight. It's easy to use. More reason why having a good quality tool that's not overly loud and annoying. It's not going to be heavy on your arm. But most of all, it is good quality airflow that is not going to hurt your hair. All right, next, if you have super tangly hair, you absolutely need a detangling brush. So the complete conditioning mist and a detangling brush, this will absolutely be your best friend. And they're actually incredibly flexible, the bristles, and it's their different length of bristles that really gets deep into the scalp, not deep into the scalp, it gets really close to the scalp and can really get rid of tangles. When I removed my last extensions, I'm going to confess this, I haven't done so yet, I had them in for 8 months. I am not proud to say, I would absolutely not recommend that to anyone. I got them when I was about 5 months pregnant, and thinking I'll have this for the next 2 months or so and then remove them right before I give birth, and then I'll go without extensions. Well, I thought it looked great, and then time just flew by in those last 2 months, and I had a baby, and then the last thing I had time for was time to take care of my hair or remove my extensions. So when I finally got them off, I had a knot kind of, which it was actually not bad. And I think it's because I tried so hard to really take care of my extensions, but I did have a knot underneath the extensions about that big. And a part of me thought I'm gonna have to cut this off eventually. I sprayed some of this and I use the tangling brush, and the key is to start from the bottom. So say you have a knot right here, you don't hack at the knot, you start underneath and you work slowly each time a little bit higher and a little bit higher to where the knot is its most fragile or most least tight. So there the hair is going to have some give without you ripping through the hair. All right, the next thing I could not live without, my ceramic round brush. This one is by Olivia Garden. Again, this is what I used in the salon. Try probably every brush out there, and I always come back to this one. It is beautifully designed. The handle is 100% comfortable. The shape, the material, everything was thought about. Super comfortable, super easy to use. It is a ceramic plate, so that's going to be just better for the hair. So yeah, that is it. This was kind of a long video. I'm very happy to just sit and zen out and talk about hair. So I hope you've learned something. I hope this wasn't just super indulgent for me, because I absolutely am passionate and love everything that I talked about today. And once again, thank you JVN for sponsoring today's video. I'm a huge fan. I absolutely knew that this hair care line was going to be the absolute best. So thank you for creating this beautiful line and sharing it with us. But anyway, thank you so much for clicking on this video and for supporting me over the years. I absolutely love you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.